Yummy.
Sue, look at that! Someone ate all my chocolate coins!
Who could it be? You got someone in mind?
No, but I have to catch this bad guy!
But Sam, while you're catching the criminal, all your remaining coins will be left unattended.
Oh, you're right.
Let's make a treasure chest from cardboard with a huge padlock to hide them.
Yeah, great idea. Let's go make a treasure chest.
Hi, guys. Today we're going to make a treasure chest for Sam. Where is he, by the way?
Hello, everyone. Sue, I cut your cardboard stripes as you requested. I even painted them.
Cool! Our chest is gonna be perfect! The main thing is not to rush and be careful working with hot glue not to get burned.
But we need to finish this soon as possible so I can start looking for the thief.
Don't worry, we've got plenty of time to find him.
Well, this is how my sweets were gone. Failed to keep an eye on them. Anyway, what can I do more, huh?
You know, they used to disappear inside you. Oh, could you glue the other side walls of the chest this way?
Being a sweet tooth is not a crime. While it is stealing last sweets from poor slime. Anyway, I'll do it.
Already? I finished too.
Yep, did you forget I'm the quickest slime in the world?
Yeah, no one can beat your speed of eating sweets. All right, let's glue these strips I painted beforehand to the side walls.
Ugh, it'll look like a wooden chest.
But it's made of cardboard.
But cardboard's made of wood, so it is wooden.
Oh, right you are.
Can I try doing this too?
You're welcome. Just don't get stuck to the cardboard.
Who do you think I am? Done!
Cool, and this part I'm gonna glue. There. Look, Sam. I made the upper part. What do you say?
And I brought some cardboard for fastening.
Good job. Let's glue them.
It's high time!
Do not rush, because you can mess things up very much.
Okay, but still, let's speed it up a little.
All right. There we go.
Okay, I guess we're done with the lid. Can we start making a huge padlock?
Don't you want to decorate the chest first?
Oh no, the padlock is our priority task.
Whoa, did you design your own padlock? Cool! Sam, are you sure we need to make such a complicated padlock?
Of course! There's more. Be right back.
All right, I'll get to work.
I'm so glad you're helping me save my coins.
Oh, you're welcome. So I think it's done. What next?
It's time to make holes.
I see you prepared really well.
Here are more details.
You're a real master.
I've always dreamt of it. Be careful with the drill!
This padlock does look quite impressive. I can tell you Sam studied this question.
It's a cool padlock, isn't it?
Yeah, I even envy you a little. How will it work?
1 second.
Oh!
Now we need to make a locking mechanism using these sticks and a lighter spring.
Oh, Sam, maybe we just let it go?
What do you mean? No, we have to finish this.
I mean, it's kind of complicated. I don't think the thief is going to come back to the crime scene.
So, don't you get it? He will be back for my yummies if I don't catch him.
Okay.
Now we need to place all the padlock pieces on these little dowels.
Why on earth did I suggest making this chest and padlock? I didn't expect it would take so long.
What are you muttering there, Sue?
I'm just humming a song to myself while crafting.
Oh, I love songs. Here's my favorite. Sam, Sam, Sam. He's the best slime in the world.
Sam, I don't doubt you for a second.
See, I made you laugh. Psst, guys, what's your favorite song? Write in the comments.
I don't think your repertoire is gonna match the viewers.
We'll see. Sue, check out these hinges I made for the padlock.
Oh, just in time.
Hey, what about the key?
Here it is. And another one.
Sue, why do I need 2 keys?
If you lose one key, you'll have an extra one.
Huh. I should put it in a place where I won't lose it.
Leave it with me. I won't lose it for sure.
Fine, let's do it this way.
Here's the final touch. I made holes so the keys are ready.
Then let's begin decorating our treasure chest.
Oh, this padlock is so cool! You know, Sam, I think a sea theme would be perfect for this chest.
Oh yes, ships, skulls, octopuses.
Yeah, this reminds me of another chest we made, remember?
Sure, that was a very beautiful chest of Davy Jones. Huh, I think we should put... Jolly Roger!
I agree! Your coins are golden, Sammy. They belong in a chest like this. Right, a pirate ship would be a fine addition. Here's a silver ship hole. Let's glue it on the side wall of our chest. Perfect.
I decided that a ship without sails doesn't look very nice.
All aboard! Hoist the sails! Great idea, Sammy. The sails look perfect.
You bet. I want my coins vault to be secure and beautiful.
We're the thieves of Sam's coins. No chest can hide them from us.
So that's not funny. Oh, guys, maybe you saw the thief. Write in the comments.
Didn't your thief leave any evidence?
He did not. There's nothing. Even the coins vanished. Oh, I forgot. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and hit the bell button. Huh, you berate me for a litter while throwing cardboard around yourself?
Oh, it's not garbage, Sammy. These pieces will form chains for your chest. We need to glue the links of the chain one by one this way. Besides, Sam, wouldn't you like to help me?
To glue the chain? Sure.
Let's have a competition and see who'll make a chain quicker.
Ugh, I'll have it done before you know it.
I guess Sam's gonna mess up. What do you think, guys? Whoa!
Phew, not a drop of sweat.
Oh, I guess you beat me.
I'm just little, so I can move faster while you... Look how big you are.
Sammy? Oh, wait, are you implying that I'm...
Oh, no. I just meant it's harder for you to move with your size.
Sam, enough. You're making it worse. Look what I can do. Not bad, huh?
Oh, I want to! Alakazam, alakazoo! Open the chest, Sue.
All right.
What do you say? Cool.
It's adorable. Let's fill this chest with some treasure.
Here's your new home coins.
All right, Sam, now you can close it.
Oh yes, the coins are well protected now. The thief will never reach 'em.
Now all the coins are mine.
I knew it! I caught the thief!
Oops. This is not what it looks like.
Oh, come on! I caught you at the crime scene!
I was just counting them.
Yeah, I believe you. Not at all, but I understand you. My coins are very attractive. Anyway, fine. Let's say bye to the viewers and go eat my sweets.
Hooray! Thank you, Sammy.
Guys, subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up.
Also, hit the bell and wait for the new videos. Bye-bye now.